rocket leaves, leaf green vegetables such as kale and broccoli. They are high in nutrients, calcium, potassium, folate, vitamins A, B, C, and K, rich in fiber, as well as they are packed with antioxidants. Rocket salads, they serve as a side salad where you simply top olive oil or drizzle balsamic vinegar, but they also make an excellent base for more substantial salad dressings where you add on other veggies, boiled eggs, avocado, walnuts. Boiled egg or grilled chicken, if you add it to the rocket leaves as well as the walnuts, it actually forms a protein-packed low-calorie meal. Look at that. Look at that. That's a delicious meal. Okay. To highlight in terms of other benefits, we said rocket leaves, they are packed with antioxidants which help maintain good health and strengthen your immune system. They also contain carotenoids, antioxidants which are good for eye health as well as for skin and strengthen defense against infection. They also contain alpha-lipoic acid, an antioxidant that may especially benefit people with diabetes. This compound promotes lower glucose levels, increases insulin sensitivity, and promotes oxidative stress-induced changes. Also rich in fiber that regulates the absorption of carbohydrates in the intestine, which can help to lower blood glucose levels and improve insulin resistance. It contains natural nitrates, thereby help your blood vessels to relax and so lower blood pressure. Helps fight cancer. Thank you for watching.